And it takes only a few hours of computing power, not 13 years. That's how quickly the world is changing. I can give you another example. ChatGPT, that really captured people's imaginations because they could use it. We've been talking about AI since we started the firm in 2014, and NVIDIA was our primary play on it, and no one would listen to us. They didn't know what AI was until ChatGPT, and it made a difference in their own lives.
Disruptive, innovative, and AI. Cathie Wood has long been recognized as a leading figure in the investment world, spearheading ARK Invest, a firm renowned for its forward-thinking approach. With a focus on disruptive innovation and a commitment to long-term strategies, ARK Invest has consistently stayed ahead of market trends. Recently, the firm's strategic trades, including notable moves in Palantir Technologies, have sparked discussions about the future of AI and data analytics. How will Palantir's role in this rapidly evolving landscape shape the investment horizon?
Just to bring to life how fast these costs are falling. So ChatGPT, if that had been developed, if developers had developed it in 2015, it would have cost roughly $500 million to develop that model. In fact, in 2020, 5 years later, it cost $450,000. Today it would cost a couple of $100. That's how quickly things are changing. Costs of AI training costs are dropping 75% per year.
If there's one thing Cathie Wood believes in so much, it's the power of disruptive innovation. As the CEO of ARK Invest, she's led her firm with a steadfast commitment to identifying groundbreaking technologies that shape the future. In a recent discussion, Wood highlighted the transformative potential of AI, citing examples like ChatGPT and NVIDIA's pivotal role in bringing AI to the forefront. These technologies, once deemed futuristic and costly, are now becoming more accessible, with AI training costs dropping by 75% per year and inference costs by over 85%. According to Wood, the landscape of AI development is witnessing a significant shift, with both private and open source models gaining prominence. Companies like Meta Platforms leverage their large language model capabilities, while others, like OpenAI and Anthropic, contribute to the open source ethos. Wood emphasizes the importance of keeping an open mind in this evolving ecosystem, drawing parallels to the early days of the internet's open source movement.
So I think it could be a big disruptor, and nobody believes this right now, but it could be a big disruptor to Microsoft.
Wood's bullish stance extends to companies like Palantir, which she believes could disrupt even tech giants like Microsoft. Despite skepticism from some quarters, Wood sees Palantir as a potential game changer, especially with its focus on integrating data and workflows. She argues that this disruptive potential underscores the need for constant vigilance and adaptation in the investment world. In ARK Invest's morning meetings, Wood and her team delve deep into research, tracking talent movements and competitive dynamics. For Wood, investing is akin to athletic strategy, requiring quick decision-making and a willingness to accept mistakes. Yet, amidst the risks lie immense opportunities fueled by the creative destruction that accompanies disruptive innovation. Now, did you know she also believes in the rebound potential of growth stocks amidst rising rates and sticky inflation? Cathie Wood remains confident that innovative technologies like artificial intelligence will act as significant deflationary forces. Despite recent struggles, Wood's flagship fund, the ARK Innovation ETF, shows signs of recovery, boasting a year-to-date return of nearly 25%, outperforming the S&P 500. This comes after facing setbacks in 2021 and 2022, where it lagged behind the market index. Wood gained prominence for her successful investments in disruptive innovation stocks like Zoom and Roku, yielding impressive returns during the pandemic. Although her fund faced challenges as tech stocks faltered due to interest rate hikes, Wood remains optimistic about the future. She believes that innovation trends will continue to drive growth stocks forward, countering inflationary pressures. Wood predicts exponential growth opportunities by paying attention to declining costs and converging technologies such as AI, robotics, and energy storage. Companies like Tesla, Zoom, and Teladoc are poised to benefit from these trends, with Tesla projected to reach a share price of $2,000 by 2027. However, not all AI opportunities are equal, as evidenced by Wood's recent trimming of holdings like NVIDIA. Now, one of Cathie Wood's major AI-focused investment moves shook the market in December. Leading her firm, ARK Invest, Wood initiated a significant trade, purchasing a hefty $27 million worth of shares in Palantir Technologies. This strategic decision occurred during a period of notable volatility for Palantir, sparking widespread interest within the investment community. ARK's investment in Palantir comprised a total of 1,578,738 shares spread across multiple ETFs, including ARK Innovation ETF, ARK Next Generation Internet ETF, and ARK FinTech Innovation ETF. The substantial transaction amounted to a valuation of $27.04 million, reflecting ARK's confidence in Palantir's long-term growth prospects amidst market fluctuations. But before we move on, we just want to thank you for watching this far in the video.
Got here from Palantir because particularly on the U.S. commercial side, just trouncing expectations with very strong commentary, and it looks like outlook for 2024 with that growth expected to continue accelerating. Your thoughts?
Yeah, they've definitely cracked the code on how to translate their leadership in AI into the commercial business, starting with the US. They've started these AIP boot camps, which is an accelerated pilot to get some of their enterprise customers to figure out how to use AI in their current context with these new generative AI capabilities. And they've been able to do that very rapidly after producing a new product set about a year ago. They're now fully in stride in terms of getting enterprise customers to engage and adapt some of these products early.
2 months later, Palantir released its fourth quarter results, triggering a significant surge in its stock price. The company's shares jumped over 30% following the announcement, driven by strong revenue figures and promising prospects in the AI sector. Cathie Wood's ARK Invest seized the opportunity, significantly increasing its stake in Palantir. Through its various ETFs, including ARKK, ARKW, and ARKF, ARK Invest acquired 1,967,732 Palantir shares. This move reflects ARK's confidence in Palantir's disruptive potential and its belief in CEO Alex Karp's leadership. At its closing price during this time of $21.87 per share, ARK Invest added Palantir shares worth a staggering $43.03 million to its portfolio. During this time, Palantir held a significant weighting in ARK's flagship ARKK ETF, accounting for 1.84% of the fund's total holdings. In ARKW, Palantir's weighting stands at 1.58%, while in ARKF, it is 1.29%. ARK's filing in mid-January revealed that the firm held a total of 10.94 million Palantir shares valued at $187.80 million by the end of 2023. Fast forward to March, Cathie Wood's ARK Invest grabbed attention again with its strategic moves in the market. Notably, the firm sold off over $24 million worth of Coinbase shares as Bitcoin reached a record high. This decision underscores ARK Invest's adaptability in response to the dynamic nature of the cryptocurrency market. The sale of 110,896 Coinbase shares through various ETFs marked a significant adjustment in ARK Invest's portfolio. This move coincided with reports of Coinbase experiencing outages amidst surging Bitcoin prices, showcasing ARK's timely response to market developments. ARK Invest also continued its selling spree of Nvidia Corp shares, offloading 5,835 shares worth $5.01 million. Despite Wood's previous foresight in identifying Nvidia's potential in AI, ARK Innovation ETF prematurely exited its position in January, missing out on potential gains. In contrast, ARK Invest reinforced its investment in Tesla, purchasing nearly 80,000 Tesla shares amounting to $14.45 million. This move aligns with Wood's bullish outlook on Tesla's future, particularly in the autonomous vehicles sector. Additionally, ARK's trades included a notable purchase of Palantir shares, acquiring 79,090 shares worth $1.9 million. This investment reflects ARK Invest's anticipation of significant growth in Palantir's role in both the tech and defense sectors. So, if you also believe in AI just like Cathie Wood does, you might be wondering about the future trajectory of Palantir. Wood's thesis suggests that Palantir could be poised for significant growth, especially considering its expanding role in both the technology and defense sectors. With ARK Invest's recent purchase of Palantir shares, there's a signal of confidence in the company's potential to disrupt traditional industries. Potential catalysts for Palantir's performance could include increased adoption of its data analytics solutions by government agencies and large enterprises, As organizations continue to recognize the importance of data-driven decision-making, Palantir stands to benefit from its advanced analytics capabilities. However, there are also risks considering, such as regulatory challenges and competition from other tech giants. Regulatory scrutiny could impact Palantir's ability to secure government contracts, while competition from companies like Google and Amazon could limit its market share in the data analytics space. So, what do you think? Are you bullish on Palantir's future growth prospects, or do you see potential challenges ahead for the company? Share your thoughts in the comments section below. And that's it. Make sure to smash the like and subscribe buttons down below. Additionally, if you want to know more about Palantir's recent earnings report, just click this video right here. Thank you for tuning in and stay tuned for more exciting content in the future.